To Daily Sports Watch. It's for 30th of August. Let's get started. The first news is coming from Chennai Super Kings. There is a worry about for COVID-19 affects Chennai Super King camp. A player had a staff test positive for coronavirus in Dubai ahead of IPL. This can be worry for Chennai Super Kings. They are a champion side, and Dhoni has already retired, and he is skipper of Chennai Super Kings. So it will be very interesting. And already they have said that around 530 million people will be watching this online. I mean, they're hopeful. The sponsors and all, they're hopeful about it. So let's see how Chennai Super Kings end. I mean, its support staff, social media team have tested positive for COVID-19. This is the latest news. And Vinisha Phogat has been, she is a champion wrestler, and she has been tested positive for COVID, and she is one of the 5 members who has been given this year's Khel Ratna award, and she will have to skip 20 August 20th. She already skipped 29th virtual ceremony. Her sample was taken in Sony, and Max Verstappen has set the pace and takes the second place ahead of Ricciardo and Hamilton. And from exam perspective, it's important. Red Bulls, his team is Red Bulls. Max Verstappen topped the practice timesheets for Belgian Grand Prix, and this you have to remember, Belgian Grand Prix, and he was ahead of champions Ricciardo and Hamilton. And the news is coming from India is in semi-final. Armenia withdraws though controversially. India won 2 games against Armenia, and they didn't played the second and withdrew from the competition. So, but now India is in the semi-finals of Chess Olympiad. You have to remember this. It is a Chess Olympiad, and NBA playoffs will resume, and they were suspended because of police shooting in America of Mr. Jacob Blake, and he was an African American. So there was widespread protest. The streets were unrest, and there is but enough. It resumes on 29th of August, and we will be covering the second part. Thank you so much for listening. Have a nice day.